Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, let's try to learn another exercise. I have draft logo like this, but I want to modify this, with new design. Okay, I will copy first. Copy, edit, paste, and by the way, I have idea to create new position, new object, and others. Okay, let's try. Create here, 1 2 3. Okay, here, okay, here. Okay, that's it. But now I want to create circle, look like this, maybe. Okay, 100, maybe like this. Line and distribution center. Okay, let's try. Okay, enough. Control C, Control V, but set maybe like this. Okay, that's it. 1 2 3. Okay, maybe smaller, I think. 5. Okay, center. Tick. Okay, that's it. I think it's enough. Let's try to maybe this here. Okay, 3 1 5. Let's try. Oh, sorry. But 287. Wait. Okay, 287 ya. Maybe. Good. Okay, enough. A bit again. Okay. I will check first. Okay. A bit. It's 275, I think. 275. Wait. Okay. 65. Okay, good. A bit here. Oh, sorry. Maybe 1 millimeter. This. Okay, that's it. Control C, Control V, and then position, scale and mirror, dikit. Okay, wait a minute. Sit. Okay, that's it. One delete here. 3, 2. Okay, rotate again. Maybe. Okay, a bit again. Okay, I will check here. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, duplicate again. Hey, sorry. Ctrl Z. Edit, copy, edit, paste, and scale mirror like this. I will change to here. I think the position 1. Okay, that's it. Now I move here. Okay, yeah. I have a new like this, yeah. Okay, let's try. Oh, sorry. Control Z. I think combine first with this object. Arrange, combine. Okay. Control C, Control V, and we can look the result if I use facility well. Okay, that's it. Yeah, things enough for me. I will create another first. Control C, Control V. Move here. I have 2 design. Yeah, for this and this. Okay, let's try. Copy here. Wait. Okay, pick up. Maybe 3. Okay, that's it. I think it's enough. Okay, align and distribusi like this. Enough. Okay, no light. Okay, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, okay, 7. That's maybe it means molecule. Yeah, molecule. Okay. We'll try to hide this. Sorry. Oh, 5, 2. Okay. This with color. That's it. Yeah, 1 design, 2 design. But next I will create maybe I need letter S, maybe Bruce script. What? Okay, things enough. It's great. Yeah, okay, a bit. Okay, maybe here to beside the logo. Okay, save first. Next I will continue this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on next time. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.